I was in a tremendous amount of pain in my legs, actually having a very difficult time walking, couldn't sleep at night, would wake up many times during the evening. And I decided to come see Dr. Donath after being at the Full Circle and finding out about him and checking into spinal decompression to see how it could help me. I had had previous back surgery over 35 years ago and thought that it might be related somehow to that. My initial visit with Dr. Donath, he explained to me, talked to me about my problem, talked to me about my history, and then told me about spinal decompression. He explained how he proceeded with the treatment and the number of visits that he thought it would take to take care of the problem and make me better. And so he explained it fully to me, and it seemed something that I definitely wanted to do and try because I didn't want to go in and have surgery again. He told me that usually about halfway through the treatments, I think it was around 12 or 13 treatments, you'd start feeling a little better. Maybe because of the nature of my prior injury and with a new disc that we discovered, I was a little longer getting over the hump, probably about 16 treatments, but when I actually got over that hump, it was remarkable how much better I really did start to feel. The treatment itself is very relaxing. You're laying on the table, feel a little bit of a pulling motion, and actually most times I fell asleep during the treatment. My surgical recovery was many, many months, and actually it was probably about a year before I was really resuming normal activity. Spinal decompression, I actually resumed a lot of my activities before I even completed the treatment. I think that anyone who is considering surgery, another approach, they should always look at different ways to heal their body before going under the knife. Spinal decompression works naturally on the body. Also, Dr. Donath really does more beyond the spinal decompression in that he has a very good knowledge of the musculoskeletal system, and where a normal chiropractor actually maybe uses ultrasound or heat therapy, he actually works on the muscles and the skeletal area along with the spinal decompression to not only relieve your pain, and I think for most people actually make them better than they were before.